Hey guys, what's up? Zachatek here, back with a new type of video series I'm going to be trying to do for my channel. As you guys can probably tell by the thumbnail and title, I'm going to give you all some sweet editing tips for those of you who want it. Today, we are going to go over green screens. I am personally fairly new to editing. I've only made, 5-ish edited videos on my channel, but each one is packed with edits. I use Davinci Resolve 16, what I consider to be the best free editing software, so consider checking it out. So, without further ado, let's start the vid. So for those of you that want the tips right off the bat, here's a quick overview of the steps. I'll give you guys 5 or so seconds to pause the video if that is all you need. Alright, for those of you who are still watching, here is how you do it. First, here I have a piece of video I want to have as my main footage. It's just a clip I recorded from Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, and since it is my main footage, it is going to sit here in video 1. Okay? Over here is my green screen, and as a side note, I got these clips on here by simply dragging the file onto any space in the gray area, right over here. Once you have your main clip in your green screen, you're going to take your green screen, highlight it all, and move it on top of the main footage in video 2, okay? Once you've done that, make sure you move your red marker at the beginning of your green screen, and then we're going to head over to our little friend called Fusion. Alright, so Fusion is a complex tool I have used in the past to make the intro you all watched at the beginning of the video, but for this video we're just going to work with the green screens. So what you're going to do is you're going to press Control and space at the same time to bring up this search tool. Alright, once this is up, type in Delta here, and this should show up, okay? Once you get this, press Add, and then, well, that was easy. What you're gonna do is you're gonna disconnect everything. Once you've disconnected everything, you should have these 3 nodes. You're gonna connect median 1 to Delta Cure 1, and then Delta Cure 1 to media out. And then you should get this, your green screen. What you're going to do next is you're going to take this eyedropper tool and you're going to drag, I repeat, drag this onto the green part, and you should get this texture, this black and white boxy texture. If you've gotten that, then you're on the right track. Now we're going to head back over to edit to see our edited video. Alright, now that we're back in the edit tab, let's watch our video to see if everything went alright. So I'm going to press Control F to enter full screen mode, and then we're going to play it.
That's the cutest fucking thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
Alright, there we have it. A completed green screen edit tutorial video for Davinci Resolve 16. I hope you guys have liked this video, and if you did, consider liking and maybe even give me a subscribe. Who knows? Thank you for stopping by, take care of yourselves, and of course, please have yourselves a damn good one. Peace!